Okay guys, we are going to finish up the chapter 6.2 notes with a money problem. So if you remember from the very first kind of review of Algebra 1, we had a formula for investments that were compounded a specific number of times per year. Like we did monthly, but it could be quarterly or daily. So we had an N in the formula, which was the number of times it compounds per year. But what if we have interest that's compounded continuously? So there's no number of times, it doesn't take a break whatever number of times per year to compound. So in this situation, we need a formula with E in it. Now, the good thing is the other values mean the same thing. So P is still principal, which is the starting amount. R is still the interest rate. And T is still time. Right? And A is our final amount. Right? Whatever we're going to have in our account after that amount of time and at that rate. Okay, so we're going to look to compare two different accounts. So you and your friend have two different accounts. So your friend, what we have is a graph. So I want you guys on your graph to label these 2 points. So first we have money on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. So I want you to label the point 0, 4,000 and 10, 7,250. Okay, so your friends we have graphically. Your account we have a formula. So we know our final amount is 4,500 e to the 0.04t. Right, so this means our interest rate is 4%, right? And 4,500 is our principal. So if I'm asked the question, whose account has more principal? Well, your account has $4,500 principal. Right? That's the amount you initially invested. Your friend, well, we don't have an equation, but we do know that at time equals 0, your friend has $4,000 in her account. So that means this is the principal. So your friend starts with 4,000. So you have more, right? You have more to start. Okay, that doesn't mean you stay with more though, right? So let's check out after 10 years, how much do you have? Well, that means we're going to say T equals 10. So we're going to put that into our formula. Right, so that's what we're going to do. And remember, to get an E, we're going to do second ln. So I can do 4,500 second ln, and that's going to ask me for the E that it's going to give me E question mark, and I'm going to enter in. This ends up being 0.4. So you will have approximately 6,713 and 21 cents. That's what you're going to have approximately after 10 years. Now, how about your friend? Well, this means when T equals 10, your friend has $7,250. So it looks like you should change your money over to your friend's account. Because your friend, at 10 years, has 7,250. So your friend has more money after 10 years. So even though you started with more, you didn't end up with more. So that is it, guys, for chapter 6.2. See you soon.